Let me put you here. Hey guys, so I'm literally just editing this, just ignore the background. Basically I'm just editing this vlog, well not vlog, well kind of, yeah. By the way, don't mind me because I'm literally so ill and dying, but I know it's been a while, I haven't posted in ages. I've literally just been trying to get my life together, like I'm not gonna lie, I've got a new job and stuff like that, so I've been trying to, is literally my nose ring like sticking out. Anyway, I've literally been trying to kind of find a balance in my schedule, like where I can find time to obviously go to work and stuff like that, but also go gym, and like I think I'm in a good place now, because it just took me like a month or so to adjust, because like I went from my old job to my new job and all of that. Also it's full time, so it's kind of hard, so I just wanted to explain why I've been gone for so long. But I swear at least once a week I'm going to be posting. I don't know what days, I'm going to try and make it a consistent day, but because in my job I don't know what 5 days a week I'm working, I can't really stick to an exact day, but I'm going to try. Also I got new glasses. Do you like them? They look ugly, I look like a grandma, but anyway, I just wanted to show you guys like my gym workout. I filmed this like a week ago, so I just wanted to like kind of, I know I've been putting off for ages because I'm always like self-conscious about my body, but to be honest I really don't care anymore, because no one is the same, like no one's body is the same. So hopefully this gives you some inspiration. I will be putting before and afters as well in here, but you guys have seen this by now, but I'll do some updated ones. And yeah, this is kind of what I do on a day-to-day at the gym, especially if I'm doing full body workout like what is in this video. I forgot to film like the cardio, but I literally usually just do like 10 minutes on the cross trainer, just to warm up, and then afterwards you saw I did like kind of cardio with the wheel, and then I just stretch afterwards, but again I didn't show that. But this is kind of just the main stuff. Also for everything, this is such a long intro, it's already 2 minutes, but for everything I also do 3 sets or 4 sets, but I'll like write it in, so you would have, I don't know why I'm explaining it now, I'll literally write it in. But yeah, I'm so sorry I've been gone for so long. For anyone who's still stuck around, like thanks. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been like highly requested, so here it is, and yeah, enjoy. Okay guys, also, oh lord, before you watch the outro, which I literally just recorded, I just want to say, just like a deep convo basically, but basically this whole like weight loss thing is like a journey. Like, I know people expect, oh, you work out for like a year, no, like a couple months and you're skinny and that's it, you're over. For people like that struggle with their weight and stuff, it's not like a couple months and then you're done. It's an ongoing thing. So for me, especially this past like 2 months, I've struggled a lot because I haven't had time to go gym and like eat healthy and stuff. So I did find that I put on like a bit of weight. Like, obviously I'm not back to where I started, so I should still be proud of my accomplishments. But yeah, I did put on like 3 kilos or so. So like my stomach isn't as flat as it was like a month or so ago, but I'm okay. Like, I'm finding it fine. So in this video you're gonna see like I'm not like, I don't know, I mean, there's nothing wrong, it's just obviously it makes me feel a bit uncomfortable like showing everyone like my body and stuff, because I was like wearing a crop top and all of that stuff. But like, I shouldn't care, because I know like you're supposed to spread like body positivity and stuff. And obviously I've found like a good schedule to go back to the gym and stuff. Like, I've literally been going at like 11 o'clock at night after my shifts. I don't care. Like, I've been dedicated to going like 5-6 times a week again, which is good. So I am finding that like I'm getting back into the rhythm of things. So I keep touching my freaking glasses, sorry. But I just wanted to explain, because for some people it might seem like, oh, it's perfect, like all she has to do is work out and eat healthy and it's like easy. It's not easy. It's literally a journey. You might find that sometimes you gain a bit of weight because you might come off the path a bit, but as long as you go back, you shouldn't like beat yourself up about it. Just keep going, because it's hard sometimes, it is. So I just wanted to explain that, because I feel like if you feel like sometimes you feel like you're failing, or you shouldn't have done something, or like you feel like if you had just stuck with it for that last month, like, don't beat yourself up, just keep going, because everyone's human. Like, that's all you can do. But yeah, hopefully just a little motivational kind of talk, and I just wanted to explain, because I know even watching it I'm like, oh, like I'm cringing, but I don't care. Like, I also shouldn't care, because that's literally my body and all I can do is get better and whatever. Like, I should love it no matter what, and you guys should as well. So yes, that's all I wanted to say. I'm sorry, like, I keep longing out every single little clip that I'm talking. I hope I explained each step properly. I will do a proper in-depth workout at the gym, because as I said, I go late at night, so there's not really anyone there. Maybe if I go today, when I go today, I might like do a bit of like a run through and talk through, just so you know like the proper form and stuff like that. The only reason I kind of know this stuff is because I have a personal trainer and she kind of teaches me. Again, with my personal trainer, I haven't literally been with like training with her for like 2 months because I've literally been so busy. So hopefully I'm gonna get back to that as well. But yeah, a lot of the stuff that I work out is because I've learned so much from her this past year working out with her. So I learn a lot of these like moves and like exercises. So if you have any questions of like how to do it properly and all of that stuff, let me know. I will do a more in-depth tutorial. I just wanted to like, I just grabbed the camera when I was working out one day, and I was just like, oh, F it, like let me just film it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna finish here because I've literally been talking for so long. So yeah, roll on the outro. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, as I said, you'll be getting more content, hopefully. Give me some ideas below. I've literally changed my whole room around. Like, this isn't my room anymore. Yeah, literally, like, this isn't my room anymore, so it's not like gonna be the same background as usual. I have literally lost my battery, like my charger for my battery for my camera, so I need to find that, which is hence why I'm filming on my phone and why I filmed this whole thing on my phone. But hopefully I will find it and I'll be able to film on my camera soon. I literally sound so stupid because I'm so ill, but anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next week. So also subscribe and like, thanks.